Hey guys, we're gonna do it, man. We're gonna do it. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make this race. I'm super excited. Look at this thing. Look how good this looks. So, big update. I got a lot done in this sweltering heat, and it's raining right now, which is a huge relief. But let's go over what I've done and the last little bits that are left, and I'll show you guys everything. So all my wiring is tidied up. My bolts are tight on this whole rear end. I've actually gone and realigned the car just because. I mean, I did hit a wall, so that was probably a good thing to do. But everything was perfect, so that is excellent. The exhaust is the old exhaust back on. I did get the parts to make new exhaust, but we'll save that for another time. Here's all my wiring all done. Rain lights up in here. Clips all in. And the biggest pain in the neck was aligning this engine cover to this rear bumper. So I've got all my Zeus clips in, and I'll show you guys final fitment of that in another part. But yeah, came out awesome. I had a good buddy come over who's, oh yeah, you guys have met him. His name's Charlie with the Ultima GTR. He popped by and was able to help me get all this fiberglass twisted up and aligned properly. And then I went back in and trimmed down all these edges so it'll sit a lot nicer. Basically the whole way around this thing. Everything just needed that little bit of massaging for it all to fit. But yeah, sits on there beautifully now. One of the last things I have to do here, I get the strakes onto this guy. And pro tip, if you want to measure the size of your diffuser accurately, just sit it in your grass on 100-degree days in boiling hot sun. That'll leave nice marks so you can measure it up perfectly. Look at all these marks from different days of me putting it down. Anyway, I'll put those strakes in and be good to go. So I'm gonna do that now in the rain because it actually feels really nice. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, the tire rack up here is a tire rack from Tire Rack to hold tires on a rack. So yeah, that's kind of nice, but I did have to fix that too. If you have one of these, the way they put the ends on this tubing is just utter crap. So I pulled all of these out and re-welded those ends on because yeah, it broke the first time I used it, and luckily this dumb strap I have in here held the tires that I had on there from falling onto the car. Anyway, that was fun. Yeah, I got new tires, like I said. Those were sponsored by me, so that's cool. And the weather's turned for this weekend, so hopefully I'll get to use them. But yeah, what else can I go over? Went through all the suspension adjustments, made sure those were all where they needed to be as well. So I got those Intrax dampers on there. And ooh, yeah, let's look at the wing all together. The wing came out beautiful. There's the wing. That thing is gonna look so good on the car. Might see some smudges on it. I'm not gonna clean it because my daughter left her handprints on it and I love it. So I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but I'm gonna leave that. But yeah, this thing came out just great. It's like perfect again. So yeah, I can't believe it, but I'm gonna make this race. Got like 3 more days, but signed up, I'm ready to go. Ignore this piece that I broke off my trailer. And I did start prepping the grills. Like I said before, I'm not gonna put these on before the race. But I did paint them up and I'll make them nice, and I'll get them on for the next race I do after this one. And lastly here, in my pile of parts, I will turn this into an exhaust for the car. So I already bent up a bracket, sit on here, and I got these cheapo dual tips that I'll wind up cutting at a pretty big angle and probably shorten up as much as I can because I don't want them to stick out too far from the car. But yeah, so still got stuff to do, but I'm pretty hyped because there's been way more work than I thought it'd be to get the car to this point. Like way more work than I thought it would be to get this new bodywork on and car together, and I'm almost there, which is fantastic. So still, if you have any advice on what to do with the clamshell, like voting for Miata hood by thumbs upping, that would be cool. Or cut it up and make it a spare, or reuse it as an engine cover. I don't know. But yeah, let me know what you guys think I should do with that. And yeah, look at this thing, man. It looks awesome. I'm very, very excited for this weekend. All right, let me go before I get struck by lightning. And yeah, see you guys at the next one with the car all together, and maybe it'll be at the race when I do the next one. We'll see. Okay, bye. Oh yeah, real quick. Okay, put a figure down if you're doing an alignment on your race car and you were pushing it around your driveway, and it was really hot and you were tired and it was a long day, and you accidentally pushed your race car right off of your driveway because your leg cramped up really bad when you were trying to stop it from rolling. Oops. Scrapes. Oops. Oh well.